Category 4. Policy Values, Thiele, and Continuous Reserves. Spring 2024 Question 3 is Standard Sickness Death with a Continuous Sickness Benefit. Show the sick-state reserve and Thiele or recursive values under intensity shocks. April 2026 Question 3 is Waiver of Premium. Premiums only while healthy for a limited term. Woolhouse for annual annuities and commissions on paid, not waived, premiums. Differences: continuous sickness benefit versus waiver that shuts premium off. The cash flow sign inside Thiele changes. A Woolhouse layer appears when annual premiums meet continuous forces. Attack checklist. Write statewise prospective reserve formulas. If continuous, write Thiele differential equations for each state and apply Euler if numeric. Track when premium is on or off, healthy only under waiver. Use a two-term Woolhouse conversion when moving between continuous and annual. Grounded variance. Term plus critical illness with coupled Thiele paths, an LTC waiting period option inside the reserve, or an Excel Euler reserve grid for standard sickness death. Drill the two prior questions in order after this strategy video. That is the strategy map for this category. Next, climb the prior exam ladder for this family in the companion markdown.